Respect can take on many forms. It is a concept that can be challenging to describe or explain, but it's an important one for everyone to understand. Si Kaloy ay isang estudyante ng isang prestigyosong universidad. Siya ay naglalakad papasok at pauwi. Si Kaloy ay isang masipag na estudyante at magalang na anak. He always has respect kung kaya't minsan ang tawag sa kanya ay Tagan o Pitagan, na ang ibig sabihin ay magalang, but the accident happened yet, Tagan. It is a kind of person who always shows respect to everyone. For those people na pinakitaan niya ng kanyang kagandahang asal, will remember and they reminisce how Kaloy being a respectful to them. Respect is not just a word, it's an attitude that will always be remembered.
Nay, maaari pong tulungan ko na kayo dyan sa dala nyo. Okay naman po. Pahirap nga ng pahirap ng mga pinag-aaralan namin, pero kaya naman po. Oo naman po, Nay. Palagi kong tatandaan ng mga payo. Mauuna na po ako at may pasok pa kasi ako.
Good morning, class. Please sit down. So ngayon, madali lang tayo. Didiscuss ko lang sa inyo yung papagawa ko sa inyong activity. Mag-group ko kayo into 2. So, magpili na kayo kung sino ang gusto nyo maging ka-group. Class, please quiet.
Respect is not just a concept to learn in the classroom. It's a fundamental principle that shapes our actions and interaction as criminology students and future professionals in the field. By demonstrating respect in all aspects of our academic and professional lives, we contribute to a culture of integrity, understanding, and collaboration within the field of criminology.